Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video just about an hour ago, and only 11 people have viewed it, and somebody suggested, well, why don't you just create individual lines and just duplicate them over? And that is true, but there is a problem with that, and I'm going to show you how to get around that problem. So I've got my nudge factor set on 5 inches. I'm going to take my 2-point line. I'm going to hold down the control button so I draw a parallel line. I'm going to make that line 25 inches long. Now, because I've got my nudge factor, I drew a little line right there. Make sure this is 25, and it is. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and move it down 4 times. Now here's the problem if you're going to do this and you think, well, I'll draw another straight line from that point to that point, and then you could duplicate that line over. But the problem is, and you can see it right there when you click on it, that line has joined that other line. So when you duplicate that line, it's going to duplicate this line. So to get around that would be to take your straight line drawing tool, draw it down and make it 15 inches, and then take your pick tool and grab it right there where you get the cross, and it'll snap to that node, and then you can Control D and make a duplicate, and voila, you have the same deal. I still think the table tool is quicker, but these are individual lines that will cut out and not give you any trouble. So there's another way to do it, but just think about when you're drawing a line and you draw a line and then you draw another line off that line is connected. Where if you don't do that and you just draw another line separately, and then using your pick tool where you get the 4-way cross, have it snap to that node, then you've got 2 separate lines. And if you don't know where snap to is, snap to object right there is checked. So it will snap right to that line and be precise. But you've got to hit that node and have the 4-point corner to have it snap to it. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.